Introducing Manta Sunrise Cliff, an exceptional 1-hectare freehold property located in the captivating region of Southeast Nusa Penida, Bali. This plot sits proudly on the south-central cliff of Nusa Penida, boasting daily sunrises cascading over the sea and, during specific seasons, awe-inspiring sunsets towards the southwest. Witness the spectacular sight of the giant mantas as they glide effortlessly along the colorful ocean floor below. The property comprises wide, extended terraces of fertile farmland, a harmonious blend of soil and stone. A substantial water well, conveniently positioned at the property's entrance, enhances its appeal. The main village road, leading up to the clifftop temple, serves as an access point for electricity. An essential feature to note is the private road access to the property. This has been documented and will require maintenance by the future landowner. From this vantage point, enjoy unrestricted views of the sea, the cliff temple situated approximately 100+ meters along the cliffs, and the beautiful rolling hills of Nusa Penida Highlands in the background. Experience the uniqueness of this property, a truly exclusive location of unsurpassed beauty.